Hello, folks. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And we are in the Python Basic series for beginners. And the topic we will talk about today is iterative statements, that is, loops. A loop in programming is a control flow structure that allows a specific task to be repeated multiple times. Okay. And in that, we have got two different variations, while loop and a for loop. So, today we will discuss about while loop. To discuss this while loop, we have taken one problem statement, that is, if we want to print first 1 to 10 numbers. So what we will do in while loop is we would initiate. By the definition, you could see here, while loop is a loop that repeatedly executes a block of code as long as specified condition remains true. Now here in this example, for printing first 1 to 10 numbers, I is equal to 1 is what the initialization of the loop. We need to tell from where the number need to be printed. So we have taken one variable and initiated it to 1. After that, while I is less than 11 is the condition, because we want to print 10 numbers. You can also mention this as while I is less than equal to 10. It will give the same result. So this is nothing but condition. So until this condition is true, what we have to do, what is the task? Print I. Right? So I will get printed for each and every time the loop runs. And after the I is printed, you increment the I by 1. Right? So if I run this code, see, it will print 1 to 10 numbers for you. Okay? So in the while loop, the first stages you initialize a variable, that is, you initialize a loop, then you mention the condition. What is the condition? You want first 10 numbers to be printed. So in a while loop, you have to mention here, as per the problem statement, you have to mention here till what number it has to be printed. Suppose if you want first 20 numbers, you can print 20 over here. And then what is the actual task? The task is to print the number. So each and every time it goes to that number, it will print it. So first, in the first iteration, it will print 1. Then I will get increment. Again, it will come here. The execution point will come here. Then the next number will get printed because I will be equal to I plus 1. This 1 is only for initialization. Otherwise, the loop will revolve in these three statements. Okay, one by one. So as soon as I reaches 10, that will be the last iteration, and when I becomes 11, it will check here, okay, I is less than equal to 11, sorry, 11 is less than equal to 10. No, the condition will become false and the execution will come out of the loop, and then it will stop the loop. Uh, it will stop the execution of program, and numbers 1 to 10 would be printed like this. Okay, so that is how while loop works. In layman example, you can say that it's like unlocking a particular your cupboard locker where you forgot the password for it. Your password may be a 3-digit password. So say suppose you have given a password as 777 and you forgot. Okay, now the only option is to try and check each and every combination. Now it's a 3-digit one. We have 0 to 9 numbers in every position of the digit, every position. So what the combinations would be is 000 to 999, that is 1000 number of combinations. All right, now you want to, if you want to open that locker, you will have to try all the combinations and some of the combination will be correct and the locker would be unlocked. Okay, so till when you will try these combinations till the locker gets unlocked. So you will try 00, the condition, the condition will be the condition will be false. Sorry, the condition will be true, because the condition actually here is while the locker is still locked. It's still locked 000. Okay, then it will go for the next updation. 001 still locked, 003 2 still locked, 003, and so on till 777. As I mentioned, 777 was my password that I forgot. So when you reach 777, the condition will be false and the loop will get I mean the loop, and the execution will come out of loop. So you will no more check for 778 and 779 because your problem is already solved. So before, while loop is recommended wherever you don't know the number of iterations before executing a loop. We did not know, right? It's at 777 it will stop. It matched and it got stopped. So that's the difference between while loop and a for loop.